Hello everyone and welcome to your 5th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Interface Description Part 1. In this tutorial, we will get to know about our software Premiere Pro and we will see in detail about all the windows that are available over here in the interface. So let's start. The first thing here, what we see on the top left is the menu bar. Contains file, edit, project, clip, sequence, marker, title, window, help. We will go in details of these as we go on in the tutorials. The next, below that is the toolbar. The toolbar contains various tools which make our work easy, and all these tools help in video editing, audio editing, cutting, sliding and all those things so that our work becomes easy and fast. The next window below that is the project window. And what you see here is the project window. The name of the project tutorial 3. That's the name we gave it when we created the project. So we get the project name over here. Below that is a small television like thing that you can see. It gives a thumbnail of the media that we import, and on its right its details appears. Below that is again the name tutorial 3.premiere project, that is PR project, and it contains one item, that is this sequence tutorials. So this is the project panel. Here you have the name and here you have the label. Now if you expand your project panel, you have a lots of details about your media that you import. For example, in this sequence, the label, that's the color, the frame rate 25 frames per second FPS, media start, media end where the video is starting and ending, the duration, the video in point, video out point, the duration of the video, information of the video that contains the aspect ratio, the pixel width and height 720 by 576, and the audio info, that is the rate at which the audio is being played back. So let's get this window back how it was. On right of the project panel, what you see here is the source panel. The source panel helps us in previewing the video footage that we import into it, and before adding the footage to our sequence or doing anything with it, we can preview it and work on it a little bit over here in the source panel. We will learn more about the interface in the next tutorials. That's it for this tutorial and thank you for watching.